My lord, I beg to mention item number 7 and 8, my lord. My lord, this matter will be taken after 3 weeks, my lord.
7 and 8.
Yes, my lord. 7 and 8, my lord. I've taken consent from the other party also.
Okay, Mr. Itagum, on the consent of the other side, prays for listing this matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, interim order passed earlier, may we continue, my lord.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
Deeply obliged.
May, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 13 for the appellant. Your Lordship, list the matter after 2 weeks. We took the consent from for the appellant.
Appellant.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr.
B. Dulom.
Land Council for the appellant on the consent of the other side, prays for listing this matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
Father, I beg to mention item number 1, my lord, on behalf of J. Dodi, legally counsel. She
Okay.
is having a personal difficulty, so the matter may be fixed on my lord, 16 May 2023.
You have any?
She
No.
informed me that she is having some personal difficulties.
Okay. Mr.
Dear,
appearing on behalf of Ms. J. Doji, Land Council for the respondent,
yes, my lord.
prays for
Sixteen
submits that the Land Council, Ms. J. Doji has some difficulties and prays for listing this matter after,
16 May, my lord.
oh, sorry,
16
listing
of-
matter on 16, to which Mr. P.D. Nair, Land Council for the appellant has no objection.
That part is not reflected, that might be.
Okay,
That part.
not required. Okay. The prayer not being objected to, no.
Listen.
Okay. Okay. 16, huh? Mr. P.D. Nair is also present. Land Council for the appellant is also present. He is prayed, list this matter on 16,
16 May.
16 May.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
My lordship. Also, I beg to mention item number 6.
Yes.
This matter may be after 3 weeks with consent from other party.
Okay, you are for
Respondent.
respondent.
Mhm.
Who is for the petitioner?
Me, madam.
You are for. No objection. No objection. Okay. Both, Mr. Ismail Parman, Land Council for the petitioner, and Mr. Land Council for the respondent are present. So it's prayed for by Mr. Lord. Okay, Land Council for the respondent. List this matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay,
Interim is there, my lord. That may continue.
interim is there. In the meantime, the interim order passed. Neither, just say, huh? In the interim order passed, earlier shall continue till then. Okay.
Obviously.
May I please, my lord, I would like to mention item number 10.
Then,
The case may be taken up after 3 weeks as the leading counsel is out of decision.
for the petitioner,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay, Mr.
Myself, Titare,
You're appearing on behalf of
respondent.
or respondent,
Yes,
respondent number. Who is for the petitioner then?
Khoda, this,
You have taken consent from the petitioner.
yes, my senior has instructed me. So,
So this is criminal petition only. You are for the respondent or petitioner?
petitioner, I think, Your Honor.
Petitioner.
Yes.
Who is your senior?
Jitadi,
Okay, Mr. You are Mr.
Titare,
appearing on behalf of Mr. G. Teddy, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays for listing this matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay,
Okay.
yes. Yes.
No, no. May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, this civil revision has been filed against the order passed by the civil district judge, whereby without issuing notice to the caveator, the impugn order has been passed. May I take you to the impugn order,
Yes.
Your Honor? Page number 70.
Seven zero.
Yes, Lord. Lordship,
No, 70 is something else.
sorry, Lordship. Lordship, caveat application is 170, Lordship, sorry, Lordship, 170.
170.
Yes, Lordship. 170.
Yes.
Here, Lordship, the respondent here in present civil revision petition, they filed an appeal before the district judge, challenging the order passed by the civil court senior division. And on same day, from this order, it was revealed that the said appeal was moved unlisted motion on the same day, on 4th 2024, Lordship. May I read the order, Lordship? This
Yes.
petition is filed under Order 41, Rule 5, Subclause 1, read with Section 141 and 151 of CPC, filed by the affiliates for fraying the final order dated 1/4/2024, passed by the London Court of Civil Judge, Senior Division, Pasigat, in Miss Case J number 14 of 24, heard the Learned Counsel. In the meantime, filing assistant has also placed the caveat petition, Lordship.
Hmm.
Number 4 of 24. This is the caveat petition filed by the present petitioner, civil revision petitioner. In connection with Miss Case number 14 of 24, entitled suit number 14 of 24, protecting the impugned judgment and order dated 1/4/2024. List this case this case at 3:30 today for hearing. In the meantime, the filing assistant shall intimate the caveator for hearing. Means what happened, Lordship? On 4/4/2024, appeal was filed and moved unlisted. And in the morning itself, when matter was taken up, now the filing assistant placed a caveat petition filed by this present petitioners. Now they are saying that directing the filing assistant to intimate to the caveator, and matter was again fixed at 3:30 for hearing. This is the case. Now, thereafter, Lordship, impugn order was passed on next day, 271.
Yes.
171 is the impugn order, whereby they have stayed the order passed by the civil judge senior division without serving notice. And at 3:30 p.m., it was matter was heard, and this impugn order was passed by staying the order passed by the civil judge. Now 171, Lordship. Here same order reflecting. This petition is filed under 41, Rule 5(1), read with Section 141, 151 CPC, filed by the affiliates for staying the final order dated 1/4/24, passed by the Learned Court of Civil Judge, Senior Division, Pasigat, in Miss Case so-and-so. Heard the Learned Counsel. In the meantime, filing assistant has also placed the caveat petition number 4 of 24 in connection with misapplication number 14/24, entitled suit number so-and-so, protecting the impugned judgment and order dated 1/4/2024. Thereafter, this case is again heard at 3:30 p.m. today for hearing. However, the caveator is absent. Means without serving notice, It was heard at 3:30, and now it is reflected that caveator is absent. The question of appearing of the caveator does not arise because matter was taken up on the same day, Lordship. Now, operative person at phase number at the end, Lordship, 174. Last line, Lordship.
Yes.
Considering the entirety of the case, I'm inclined to stay the order dated. This is the order where the caveator has filed for protection, Lordship, for serving of notice, order passed by the civil judge. Order dated 1/4/24 till next date with a further direction to maintain status quo to both the parties as before or on the date of filing suit before the learned court below, and both the parties shall not have physical possession and construct anything upon the suit land and create any third party right pending hearing of the appeal. Accordingly, the impugn order dated is stayed. List this case on 27/2024, Lordship, for further hearing, and the appellant shall take steps against the respondent through justice as well as postal service. Now here, Lordship, after staying the order, final order of the civil judge, now they passing in stay order, thereafter only the notice was issued.
So it doesn't say that the stay is till the next date.
Yes. Accordingly, the impugn order dated is stayed. Means they have stayed not for next date, but for permanently until disposal of the suit appeal. Thereafter only notice was issued.
Stay the order that is so and so till next date. It says next date.
Yes, sir. List this
What
case,
what happened in the next date?
Lordship.
What happened on the next date?
No, Lordship, next date is of the case is fixed on 27/2024.
Oh.
It was stayed on 4/4, Lordship, of this month. April. Now, Lordship, here my contention is, Lordship, at least notice should be served to the caveator before passing any order, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, the mandate of 148A CPC, it is gone, Lordship. Since before passing this impugn order, they came across the caveat petition filed by the applicant. At least they should issue notice before passing interim order. And
Have you also annexed the order passed by the landed CJM?
yes, Lordship, I have
Senior
an,
division?
yes.
Where?
It was, Lordship,
127.
vacation order, Lordship, 127, Lordship, 1/4/2024. 127, Lordship. Now, brief fact of this case, Lordship, what happened? There is a dispute over plot of land, 980 square meters between both the parties. In the meantime, the respondent, they filed a title suit before the learned court below, civil judge, senior division, and they obtained a ex parte at interim order, Lordship. Accordingly, the present petitioners, the defendant, they filed their written statement, and along with they filed a misapplication for vacation of the interim order. Now, after hearing the parties, this order of 1/4/2024 was passed, thereby vacating the interim ex parte interim order.
So earlier ex parte interim order was passed and then
Yeah.
same was vacated after
Yes.
hearing the parties.
Yes, Lordship.
So the result of this vacation of the interim order would means allowing you to
Yes.
carry on the construction.
Yes, Lordship. Because
What kind of construction is going on there?
Lordship, exactly not construction, but since I am in the possession and I am in that particular land,
Hmm.
so it was allowing me to continue remain in that.
So what is this land? This
Lordship,
disputed lane is about
this is Lordship,
lane.
yes, land
It is about
for farming, Lordship,
farming.
yes.
Okay.
Since my tenant was already there, I have already constructed local hut at the said disputed land. My tenant, one Hari Rai, was already there.
Your tenant?
Tenant. My caretaker was already there in the constructed house, local house, everything was already constructed before filing of title suit laws.
Okay. Who issue notice? You have filed this under what provision?
Lordship, under 227. Yes,
Read
civil
it.
revision petition, Lordship.
Read with?
No, only 227. Revisionary power of this honorable court.
Okay. Or Mr. K. Lolen. And counsel for the petitioner. File. By filing this application under the civil revision under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has challenged the ex parte impugn. Petitioner has petitioner prays for setting aside and quashing the ex parte impugn order dated 4/4/2024 passed by the Lanet District and the Lanet District Judge Pasighat, East Siang District in PST misapplication number 01/2024 within 2024 within bracket IT Padung and another versus Sri Kaling Mango and another bracket also. Wherein and whereby the Lanet District Judge has stayed the order dated 01/04/2024 passed by the Lanet Civil Judge Senior
Civil
Division
Judge
Pasighat
Yes, Lordship.
in
In Lordship, misapplication number 16/2014
application number 16/2024
2024 filed in title suit number 14 of 2024
filed in title suit number
14/2024
2024 without giving an opportunity to without serving any notice or giving an opportunity to the petitioner caveator.
Yes, Lord.
Stop. Issue notice. We call for the record.
Records may be good.
Call for the record. issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. The petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent by a registered post with AD within a week from today. Staff, list this matter after 4 weeks. You have interim prayer?
Yes, Lordship. For stay of this infirm ex parte order. Page 25, my prayer, Lordship.
In the meantime, from till returnable date. The interim ex parte order. The operation of the interim ex parte order dated 4/4/2024 shall remain stay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Deeply obliged. Lordship.
Yes, ma'am. And this is joint application under section 4(2) of the CPC. Joint application, ma'am.
Joint application.
Yes, my lord. Arising out of the FIR dated 19/10/2023, registered under all women PS case number 2023, my lord. My lord, after immediately lodging of the FIR, after a span of 36 days, parties enter into mutual settlement. They have permanently settled their dispute on my lord 2022, my lord.
So what?
So my lord, for this application for setting aside of the pausing and setting aside of the FIR, my lord. FIR dated 19/10/2023, my lord.
The matter is still under investigation.
Yes, my lord.
How do we interfere?
Then my lord, notice may be issued, my lord. Notice may be issued, my lord.
So notice can be issued.
Notice can be issued, your lordship. Otherwise, it's an investigation stage, and after only completion of investigation, only everything will be clear whether other sections are attracted or not.
Right.
So, your lordship.
This is difficult.
Yes, your lordship.
Hmm.
Otherwise, it's in my humble understanding, it's a premature, your lordship. This is
Premature.
Yeah.
Okay, hard, mister. You,
The other one,
hmm,
the other.
the other, Land Council for the petitioner. Stop. I have also heard Mr. Aite, theater, then additional advocate, additional people. Stop, huh? Para. This is joint petition filed by the accused in the women, the WPC, it's a WPS case number 20. Then accused and the informant of the WPS case number 2023 under section 354, 427, 323 IPC. So allow WPS, huh? Allow WPS. huh? Praying for compounding the offenses. registered against the accused is applicant number 2 against the applicant petitioner number 2. In Alo Women PS case number 2020/2023. Stop. On the ground that the matter has amicably settled between the parties. Stop. That. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. The learned ADPP, original PP, shall produce the scanned copy of the
Yes, case diary.
case diary and also the status report,
Yes, Your Lordship.
status report of the Alo Women PS case number 2020/2023. By the next stage. After issue notice, I think since Mr. Theatre accept a notice on behalf of the respondent, no formal notice need be issued. List is matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Yes, deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, this is an application under 438, Your Lordship, seeking pre-arrest bail of the bail applicant. In this matter, Your Lordship, the FIR has not been registered yet. There is no FIR that has been registered. But I have an apprehension that I will be arrested because of the WT message, Your Lordship.
What is this WT message about?
Your Lordship, that was for the present applicant to appear before the SPHQ, Your Lordship. So the issue here is, Your Lordship will see, I am the contesting candidate from Mechuka, Your Lordship. So I had filed my nomination, Your Lordship, that was accepted. And on 28th, the date was given for scrutiny, Your Lordship. So what happened on 27th, I received a call from the SPC Yomi, Your Lordship, to appear before him because there is an urgent matter. So by that,
Urgent matter in connection with?
that was not informed to me, Your Lordship. But still I went and I appeared before the SPC Yomi, Your Lordship. Then on appearing before the SPC Yomi, he informed that there is a WT message from SPPHQ Itanagar that I have to appear before him on 28, Your Lordship. That is the exact date when the scrutiny date was fixed, Your Lordship. No reason was given, nothing was informed, except there is an urgency, you have to appear before the PHQ, otherwise action will be taken against me, Your Lordship. Then I had filed a representation to the SPPHQ stating that because the scrutiny date is on same date, Your Lordship. Therefore, and from Mechuka to appear before the PHQ, there is a long distance, Your Lordship, also pertaining to the road conditions. Therefore, I have stated that it would not be possible to appear on 28, Your Lordship. So now the issue is, they have not given me the reason what is the urgency. They have not even informed, Your
Have you
Lordship.
also asked for the reason?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have asked for the reason,
Where
but
is
the
that?
same was not informed.
Where is that?
That is, if Your Lordship will see, it is in, the same has not been, it has been mentioned in the paragraph, if Your Lordship will see. In
Paragraph?
para 6, Your Lordship.
Yes.
That on 27/3/2024, while the bail applicant was eagerly awaiting the date of
No,
scrutiny,
no, so you made an application
Your
the
Lordship,
SP
representation,
give-
yes,
give-
Your Lordship,
to inform you
yes, Your Lordship.
on what case or in connection with what case you are to appear.
Nothing,
what-
that no information was
Have you,
given.
have you asked for
Yes,
the
Your Lordship.
information? Where?
That was verbally asked for, Your Lordship.
Not written.
Non written, Your Lordship, because I had directly appeared before the SP, Your Lordship.
Could have asked.
I had asked, Your Lordship, but they had given me no reasons.
And then a WT message was in verbal or written?
WT message, if Your Lordship will come to page number 15, that is the type
So
copy.
that
Your
is
Lordship.
written. So you could have also asked
Your lordship,
in connection with what case you need to appear before the SP.
that was asked, your
If-
lordship,
huh?
that was asked,
Where?
not in written, but verbally that was asked to the SPC Yomi, your lordship. Since
Could-
now no
Since
information was
they were not providing any information, could have asked, you could have asked
that
by
was
writing
verbally asked, your
to furnish
lordship.
you the information.
The same was, if your lordship will see in my representation also, I have
Then
mentioned the same thing.
how do we pass any order? Blanket order cannot be,
That is new, your
because
lordship,
you-
but
you,
The-
you said you don't know what, but
But-
we also don't know. You might say, well, maybe.
yes, your
It's a murder, it's a POXO, we do not know, blanket order cannot pass.
I agree with that, your lordship, but even if your lordship will just see the WT message,
Yes,
if I may be.
that is
allowed
why
to
I'm
your
saying.
lordship. Yes.
So what information? Any clue that you had done
No,
any?
no, your lordship, there is no clue at what is the
Then
case
why
and
to
why
worry?
I was.
Then why
arrested.
to worry?
Now the issue is, your lordship,
Hmm.
if to be very honest, your lordship, this is more like a politically motivated, your lordship.
Hmm.
Why? Because on the date of the scrutiny, that was the same day I was ordered to appear before the SP, your lordship, Itanagar. And I am the only sole person who is contesting against a very known person who is contesting from the same constituency, your lordship. Now at this stage, because the voting is on 19th, that's why I'm praying if I may be given interim, because on 19th, your lordship, the voting, and in this between, if I am arrested, your lordship, I will be deeply injured, your lordship.
Or miss?
R Taku, your lordship.
Or?
Taku.
Taku. Yes, anything?
Lordship,
You have any information?
no lordship, because today only they have filed lordship. And lordship, dear lordship, representation lordship, they have prayer to allow another for reporting before a good office. That was on 28/3 and it's already been passed lordship. Today is 9th lordship.
That is why.
That is why the apprehension, your lordship, because on 28th, I couldn't
No,
appear.
in the
before
meantime, you could. You
Lordship,
could have
meantime,
asked
they
for
could,
the
yes
region.
lordship.
For what region you need to appear? And you see,
If
from
your lordship,
28,
in one of my paragraph, I have mentioned that
No,
on inquiry.
paragraph before the authority, not
Yes, sir.
before this court.
No, your lordship, I had verbally inquired about this,
Why
From the-
verbally when you were asked to appear in writing?
but your lordship, I've also filed my representation before the PHQ, your lordship.
Representation is only seeking time.
Yes, your lordship.
That means you know on what ground you have been called. Because you have made a representation only for seeking for date, not for what purpose. And you are asking, coming before this court without any clue, saying that I do not know, whereas you know that you are being called for and you have asked for the time only. There was a lot of, you say, negotiation
No,
between,
your lordship.
for time.
Lordship, I'm again saying this is more like a politically motivated.
So that is why I'm saying
is there, your
political motive that you should be more
So,
yes,
In
careful.
that case,
Could have written.
yes, your lordship, I agree with that.
Hmm.
But due to the urgency, your lordship, that's why we have.
How do we protect you then?
At
under
least
the
in
circumstances?
till 19th, your
So,
lordship.
in
till the
what case?
voting
In
day.
what case?
In this, in with regard, because the matter has been given to the SIT.
Till 19 what?
Till 19 that he may not be arrested, your lordship.
In which case? In
With
connection with,
regard to the.
if it is a
no,
murder then?
No,
If
your
it
lordship.
was a POXO then?
No, if in
How
that
do we
case,
bracket?
no, why I'm saying lordship,
Hmm.
if it is a serious offense, if
Hmm.
it comes to the purview of this honorable court, that is a serious offense. This honorable court has the discretion to reject the bail applications, your lordship. But as of now, since because there is nothing against the alleged accused before this honorable court, your lordship. That's why we are praying that interim, at least at the stage, may kindly be given, your lordship. Only till, if it is only till 19, your lordship.
Also heard.
Lordship, this is
Yes.
only WP message lordship. Here it is requested to direct the following lordship. This is not a lordship, any kind of lordship, warrant lordship.
AP, huh? Stop. The accused applicant, sorry, applicant, file this application under section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure and 73, paying for grant of pre-arrest bail in connection with the purported regarding an important, just a minute. Inquiry, purported inquiry for which the accused applicant has been directed to appear before the police by WT message dated 27/3/2024. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that no any information or no any FIR or any information regarding what case the accused applicant has been required to appear before the SP,
Yes, Your Lordship. SP PHQ Itanagar.
SP,
PHQ Itanagar.
PHQ. However, the message further says that the WT message further says that non-cooperation may be viewed as adversely. When is the next date?
Date has not been given, Your Lordship.
Not given.
No date has been given.
The okay. Yes. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Since Ms. El Hage accepts notice on behalf of the state respondent, no formal notice required to be issued to the respondent. So, list this matter after 4 weeks. So, in the meantime,
Otherwise, Lordship, before passing any interim, Lordship, let me, Lordship, seek the instruction, Lordship, regarding this WT message. For short date may be given, Lordship.
No, in the meantime, no coercive action will be taken against her. In the meantime, comma, till the returnable date, no coercive action shall be taken against the accused, against the applicant in connection with the purported inquiry for which the applicant has been directed to appear before the police by WT message dated 27/3/2024. That is okay only?
Yes, your lordship.
Lordship, on the next date, I have to bring any Lordship status, Lordship.
Sorry, just a minute,
Lordship.
After issue notice, call for the case diary. Okay.
Lordship, if no case is registered, then how can case diary
Then
be
nothing
called?
will happen.
Then Lordship, regarding this,
This WT message along with all those relevant documents for what he has been summoned.
that's why, Lordship, I have to seek direction, Lordship, seek instruction, Lordship, on the what basis the WT message being sent, Lordship. Only that's much, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, if there's no register, then how the CD will be called for, Lordship?
Okay, in the after notice, except notice, then in the learned additional PP shall also in the meantime the learned additional PP shall also obtain necessary instruction regarding the said WT message. Specifically on what specifically
Lordship.
in connection with which PS case or which cases the accused document related in connection with which case the accused the applicant has been called for by the said WT message. Okay. Obtain instruction.
Lordship, short may be date given. Only short date may be
So
given.
that the election be over.
Okay.
Probably it appears.
Okay. Apply.
Much obliged.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
I'm appearing for the respondents, lordship, 1 and 2.
Yes.
In this case, lordship, today though it is fixed for admission, my prayer is, lordship, that the records may be called for, because there are certain things which he has annexed, which the petitioner has annexed, and which was not copy of which was not given to me, but he has stated it is given furnished before the court.
Okay,
So-
yes, just a minute,
Yes.
just a minute. So earlier you submitted that affidavit already filed. But then the registry says that has not yet received affidavit. from
No,
the
lordship, that must have been a wrong recording.
Okay. you have-
Maybe a wrong submission made or wrong recording. I don't know, because I'm not intending to file an affidavit here. Oh, sorry, I have already filed affidavit, sorry.
What may be called for you submit?
Records
Records from?
from District Judge Pasigat.
Record was not yet been called for.
Yes. But lordship, oh, sorry, I had already filed the affidavit, lordship. It is
No,
not
I
in the
know, but then
record.
report says, the office note, of course, in January, probably by now,
Yes,
just a minute,
yes.
you have filed.
I have, I'm lordship.
No problem, you just check out, Okay. Probably it is not available here, you just check out. But in the meantime, if the record has not yet been called for, we'll have to call for the record.
Yes, lordship. Records from District Judge Pasigat in connection with Pasigat IA case number 77 of 22 in civil appeal, bracket Kaba, case number 105.
Just a minute. Miss. But in the earlier, just a minute. You are for the,
For the petitioner.
you are Mr.
M. Kambo.
for the petitioner.
Yes, on behalf of Arsenal.
Okay. Come appearing on behalf of, appear on behalf of Mr. Arsona, Learning Counsel for the petitioner. So, Ms. Ndangen. Your correspondent number
1 and 2.
appears on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 2. This, and submits that in the instant case, the record of the trial court,
Appellate court actually.
appellate court.
Yes, district court,
Okay,
Pasigat, district judge.
appellate court below is necessary. And the same may be called for. Call for the record of, where is the number?
Lordship, page 20, PSG IA number 77,
Note that, huh?
PSG IA number 77/22 in civil appeal, bracket Kebang, bracket close, case number 105/22. Chime Yang Seng Pema Court Welfare
Within bracket,
Society.
huh?
Page
From the-
20,
From the district court,
Pasigat.
Passenger. Stop. So this will be listed only after receipt of the record then?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, list this matter after receipt of the record. Okay. You just check,
Yes.
there is in office, office note, it says that you have not yet filed.
It be something to do with background.
Okay. Yes, this
Your
is AB.
Your Lordship, CD was called for, Your Lordship, but we have not received the case diary, Your Lordship. So further time may be granted, Your Lordship. Moreover, Your
It is
Lordship,
not yet received.
not yet received. No, that in 2 occasions, Your Lordship, this court has directed us to produce the case diary on 19th, on 12/3/24 itself, Your Lordship. How interim was not granted, but directed us to furnish the case diary. Again, the matter was fixed on 19/3/24. On that day, your CD was not produced. And again, on 27/3/24, the reminder has been sent.
On 90, but you are protected
Interim is there.
by the interim order. Okay.
Interim
1948. Okay. So interim, if interim is there, Your Lordship, then, and moreover, I've been informed by them that their statement has been recorded. So, Your Lordship, let the CD be called for, Your Lordship, on 24th, Your Lordship, fixing a date, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Perhaps the IO is, has been entrusted with the election duty, Your Lordship.
So, okay. Heard Miss,
Sonam Somu.
I've also heard Mr. PHS, learned additional people who prays for some more time to produce the CD. So, is prayed for by the Rani Council for the parties. List this matter. When?
Lordship, on 24th, Your Lordship.
24?
Yes.
Why?
20 till 21st is the, Your Lordship, holiday on 22nd. Your Lordship,
Okay, 24.
24, your lordship. Let the IO get an ample opportunity so that.
24 April.
Your lordship,
In the meantime, the interim order dated dated pass on 19/3/2024 shall continue till the next year. Okay.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
Yeah,
But we have received the case diary in this case.
okay.
Lordship, since the leading counsel is on his way, so matter may kindly be passed over.
Pass over for time being.
Yes, matter may,
Time will be.
yes,
We'll take up after what?
after 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Let us see as the last, we'll take up as the last item.
Well,
Hmm.
my lord, in this case, the notice upon the respondent has been served. And as of today, they have not appeared, my lord.
So notice upon respondent number 1, 3, 4, and 5 are still awaited.
We'll wait for some time.
Okay, so this was taken recently only, I think.
Yes,
Okay. Mr.
Chetsari.
J. Siri, Land Council for the applicant. So this is
Appeal against acquittal, my lord. Filed by the state.
condemnation.
Yes,
one
condonation,
appeared.
condonation as well as criminal appeal against acquittal.
Okay. Hmm. No one appears on behalf of the respondent. The service upon the respondent number 1, 3, 4, and 5 are still awaited. Now, as per the office note dated 4/4/24, the service upon the respondent number 1, 3, 4, and 5 are still awaited. In view of the above, list is matter after
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes.
Your lordship, delay of condonation petition, your lordship.
Who appeared for the other side? You are for
I am for
insurance?
insurance, your
Okay, who is for the other side?
other side, yet not filed,
There is
Yes.
name, some name?
nine.
No, no. So this is for the petitioner. You are
The
taking steps.
Yes, your, notice, already been served against, respondent number 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5, the return with unsharp report. So, your lordship, kindly allow us to take fresh step
First step. Okay,
to respondent number 4 and 5 through register post
okay.
and. visual-
Mr.
Yes, HP Phukan, lordship.
Fukan. Land counsel for the applicant. And praise for, sorry, and praise for 2 weeks' time
Uh,
to take fresh step. Just a minute, SP Phukan, stop, in view of the office note dated 4/4/2024, the land counsel for the applicant prays for allowing him to take fresh steps upon the respondent number. How many respondents?
It's a 5 respondent, 1, 2, 3
Respondent.
already served, 4 and 5.
Okay, the
six.
prayer is allowed. The applicant shall take fresh steps upon the upon all the respondents by a registered post with AD. You want to take steps by dusty service also?
Not,
Okay. By registered post with AD within a week from today. List is made after 3 weeks. 3 weeks or 4 weeks?
4 weeks. Yeah.
4 weeks, okay.
Notice for 4 and 5 years.
Notice for
4 and 5. Your Honor.
4 and 5 only?
Only, yeah.
What about the other respondent?
Or already they have been served 1, 2, and 3 in earlier stage.
1, 2, and 3?
Yes, sir.
Already received earlier?
Already received. Notice already been served.
No, so I wait service report of 3 to 4, 3 to 5. Okay. 4 and 5, huh? 4 and 5.
4 and 5. Yes.
Okay, 4 and 5. Okay. This is better
All
after 4 weeks, huh? Okay.
May your lordship.
Yeah.
The service report is not yet completed, so the case may be fixed after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the interim order may be continued.
What was the interim order?
Interim order is the stay order dated of 16/10/23 passes by the Honorable Judge, District and Session Court of West Camden.
But Mr.
T. Nima.
Land Council for the petitioner and Mr. P. is the land additional PP. Start, huh? You want to take fresh step?
Your lordship, yes, fresh step.
Fresh step.
Fresh step.
Okay. How many respondents?
To your lordship.
Okay, in view of the office not dated 4/4/2024, the Land Council for a petitioner prays for allowing him to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 2. So the prayer is allowed. The step be taken by a registered post with AD within 4 days from today. List this matter after 4 weeks. Stop, huh? In the meantime, 4 weeks, after 4 weeks, huh? The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next stage. Okay.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
Yes.
But I'm good applicant. There's a delay of more than 4,000 days. The Singh represents the
BK Singh.
FCI, but I don't see.
Your lordship, he instructed me to adjourn this matter, your lordship, on 19th of May. May also, May.
May.
Yeah.
5
and 19.
Let it be on 29, madam. Okay.
29. Okay, Mr. Diki Pang, Land Council for the applicant. You are appearing on behalf of state also?
Yes, I'm for the state, your lordship.
Okay.
This phone number 1, 2, 3,
Also,
4, and 5.
Ms. Pang, huh? Land government advocate, correspondent number 1, 2,
4, and 5, your lordship.
3 also?
Yes, sir.
3, 4, and 5. The Land Council for the respondent numbers. Mr. Singh is for
6, 7, and 8.
6, 7, and 8 is reported to be out of the station. Is prayed for by the Land Council for the respondent. List is matter. So this, since it is fixed, is prayed for by the parties also.
29/4.
Okay, it's prayed for by the Land Council for the party. List is matter on 29/4. Yes, my lord, this is an application for condonation of delay of 92 days, my lord, in preparing criminal appeal, my lord. Criminal appeal, yes. We have taken steps upon the complainant, who is respondent number 2 also.
May I submit, my lord?
Yes.
For respondent number 2, my lord, I am entering appearance, my lord.
You're for respondent number 2.
To my lord. Morning, I have filed my wakalat nama, my lord.
Okay, and who else is the other respondent? One each state, okay. Now, you have received the copy also?
My lord, in IA, my lord, I have received, my lord.
Okay, you want, you have any objection?
IA, I have no objection, my lord.
No objection. The delay of how many days?
92, my lord.
Delay of 92 days, my. 92 days. 90 days. Yeah. Okay. Mr. Nalopada, Lana counsel for the applicant. Also heard Mr. Ed Burman, who put appeared on behalf of the respondent number 2.
2, my lord.
And for the state? State BP. Okay, Mr. Theatre, Lanet additional PK, and Mr. And Mr. Parme, who appeared on behalf of the respondent number 2 by filing a wakalatnama. You have filed wakalatnama, you said? Okay, wakalatnama, stop. Stop. Para. This is an application under section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963, praying for condonation of delay of 90 days in filing the connected criminal appeal. Region, ground, where have you explained the ground? Ground in paragraph? Para. Ground, the ground for delay in filing. 6 mile. There are 6 mile. Where is this? Para 6 mile. Okay, the ground for delay in filing the connected appeal has been explained in para 6 of the petition. What is the ground? One perusal of the ground stated in para 6. . I'm fully satisfied that the that there is a sufficient reason for not filing, sufficient reason shown for not filing the connected appeal within the stipulated time. Stop. Moreover, the land counsel for the respondents has no objection if the delay of delay of 90 days in filing the connected appeal is condoned. Stop. In view of the above, the delay of 90 days in filing the connected appeal is hereby condoned. Stop. Whether the appeal has been registered, already registered. Already registered. Okay. With the above, this IS stands allowed and disposed of. You have received the copy, you said, you also received the copy.
Okay,
Perhaps the
my
appeal
lord,
appeal also you have received?
no, my lord, appeal I have not.
Take steps on the main appeal if it is
Okay.
admitted.
In appeal, huh? Heard Mr. N. Pada, land counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Theatre, land additional PP and Mr. Additional PP, Arunachal Pradesh, huh? And also Mr. Parne. Land counsel for the respondent number 2, representing the respondent number 2, huh? Stop. Para. This is an application under section 374 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973. Filed against the judgment and conviction. And against the judgment and order. Judgment and conviction. Just a minute. Against the judgment of conviction. Okay. Against the judgment dated. Or judgment and order dated 22. This is 22. 9/2023. Whereby
22/9.
order dated, huh? Passed by the learned special judge. Which judge? Special Basiga. Special
under POCSO Act.
no, special judge under POCSO Act, Pasigat, in PFG SC within bracket POCSO case number 09/18. Arising out of Pasigat PS case number 93/2017 under section 448/506/354 within bracket 1 within bracket I bracket close stroke 376 stroke 511 IPC read with section 8 of POCSO Act. What is this?